We'll go ahead, pop the top off of it. Be back in a second. Grab my screw gun.
Is that the Milwaukee red and black thingy, drill thingy?
Yeah, my screw gun.
It's down the house. I was using it.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, shut up, Mr. Bath Towels.
Welcome back to the community, everybody, and thank you all for being part of it. Please hit the subscribe and smash the like button. When you do that, it gets the videos shared more with YouTube so other people can find them. Today, we have something very special. Misty from the VW store and Empi combined, and Misty is the one that actually started this. Empi is sponsoring me on something really big. So I'm pretty excited to show you what it is. I figured I'd set up the cameras and let them rip because it's coming freight. It's big. So it's coming freight, and no, it's not a motor. I already have a stroker motor sitting here. It'll be here freight shortly. So I'm going to film it coming in, the crate coming off the truck, which I'll speed them parts all up. And then Heather will be with me, and we're going to go ahead and unbox it. So I'm very excited about this. It's a great sponsorship to get, and I am so thankful. Okay, let's wait on that truck, and Heather should be up here with coffee. Okay, they just rang me, the driver, and said he's a couple of minutes away, so he should be here any minute. And watching for him. I am so excited about this. I really am. So I guess when they're a freight company, maybe they call in advance a little bit. I don't know if all of them do that. Maybe because it's coming to a residential house. Whoop, that's him. So it made it here safe and sound. It was R&L Carriers was the freight company. I don't know many freight companies, to be honest with you. But Empi got it here with Misty asking him to do it. And they did sponsor, no charge. Very big item. And I'm going to put the link in the description and everything. But Heather's on her way up to help me out. She should be here any second. So hang tight. Okay, so I'm just waiting on Heather to come up. She should be up any second. I'm going to go ahead and it came. I'm so excited.
I am too.
It really, this helped out a lot.
Oh, did it come from Italy?
Oh, why'd you say that?
It must be.
Why?
It says fragile on it.
Oh my God. Okay, so it made it safely. I wanted to check. I thought it said fragile. Miss Funny Pants. We'll go ahead, pop the top off of it. Be back in a second. Grab my screw gun.
Is that the Milwaukee red and black thingy, drill thingy?
Yeah, my screw gun.
It's down the house. I was using it.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, shut up, Mr. Bath Towels. He had that coming, sorry.
Okay. You were hiding it downstairs. I found it.
I was hoping you were going to find it.
This is a Milwaukee.
Because I didn't know where I put it.
Okay, all right. Okay, we're going to go ahead now and open up the crate. You want to take the screws off top?
Yes, I told Misty I was going to.
Oh, okay. Go ahead, pop the screws off. Okay, so Empi exclusive.
Oh, ho, ho.
Look at
Look at
that.
this, guys.
Let me bring the camera over.
Here we go. A 2-inch narrowed adjustable beam. Thank you, Empi.
Yeah.
Thank you, Misty.
Very nice. Okay, we're going to get it out of the box. This came complete with drop spindles, and they sell it. It's called Beam in the Box. Complete. Let me slice this box open here. I removed a couple lag bolts they had holding it down. They secured it to the pallet.
Boy, if I was a kid, I'd be making this into a house box. Remember those days?
Yeah, refrigerator boxes.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, they got the packing on here. Purchase order beam in the box replacement. 22-3118. I'll take a picture of the label before I'm done. Empi is now selling a beam in a box complete, and it will be shipped to you freight. It is spindle to spindle complete. This one is a 2-inch narrowed adjustable beam with 2.5-inch drop spindles. Now I'm quite sure you can get it in different ways of what you want it, and it also comes with oil-filled shocks, which I prefer for a softer ride. Let me see how heavy. Is she pretty heavy? Okay, this is a heavy bugger because everything's attached to it. Oh, wow. Okay. All right, let's get this opened up. I want to be careful because I don't want to scratch the beam. This is a heck of a sponsorship. I'll put a link in the description where you can buy these. Actually, just give Misty a call at the B-Dub store. And, oh, it even came with shocks. Nice. Wow, they really packaged this up. They weren't playing. I'm trying not to scratch anything. Oh, there we go. Okay. Get that off of there. You want to pull that plastic out? Alrighty, thank you.
Yeah, I can use this.
I just take it. You grab everything when you're up here, don't you?
Yeah, but these are fun to just sit around and pop.
Oh, don't. Okay, quit it. I'm editing this out.
So addicting.
Okay, stop. Stop just for a second. Thank you. Are you done? Why are you doing this to me?
I don't know, because these are so fun.
Are you drinking? No. Okay. All right, so we have... Come on.
I didn't do anything.
Okay. So we got the plastic off the one side. And it does have the 2.5-inch drop spindles on it. I'm going to measure it, but it should be a narrowed beam. And I'll take the plastic off the other side. This is awesome. And it's adjustable. So all the grease fittings are on it. I was just checking a few things. This is really a nice beam. I'll bring you up close in 1 second here. But I'm going to measure it. I forget the measurements. I think 31-inch end on the beam was standard. This should be 2-inch narrowed, but I could tell it's kind of skinny. So I looked this over, and I will say they did a good job. If you look here, even on the adjustable part, and the welds are very nice. Very, very nice. This is actually my first adjustable beam, so I'm pretty excited about that. Grease fittings look good. They look a little larger than what I'm used to seeing, so that's not a bad thing either. They did put oil shocks on the front. I believe they're oil, but I'll have to look them up. But we have our 2-inch drop spindles on there. New seals. New ball joints. Everything is new. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. This is great. And we have our 2.5-inch drop spindles. Very nice. I guess they oiled it up. It really looks good. I can't thank Rob and Adrian and Misty. Rob and Adrian are from Empi. I think it's Anaheim, California. Let's stand this up here a minute and we'll check the number on the shocks so you can see what comes with it. And here is the shocks. That is the ones that came on it. So I'll look up and see if they're oil or gas. This was a heck of a thing. I'm going to put the link in the description down below for this, but don't leave yet. We're not done. What do you think?
I love it.
Now we can ground pound going to the cruises.
Oh, yeah.
This is great. It really is. Okay. I can't thank you enough. Rob from Empi, Adrian from Empi, and Misty, our friend, of course. I really appreciate this. It is a 2-inch narrowed adjustable beam with drop spindles. They did not charge me 1 penny. And most of all, something 2 different people told me from Empi, be honest. And they did. And I am being honest. It is nice. The next video, I'm going to fit it to the car, make sure everything bolts up nice. And probably going to pull it back off when I go to do a few things, though, because I don't want to get overspray or nothing on it.
Yeah.
Heather will kill me.
Yeah.
Let me know in the comments, you gurus. Should I paint the beam? Should I protect it more? Usually they rust from the inside out. And I'm not talking about Empi's beam. I'm talking about any beam. So let me know in the comments what you think. Should I paint the beam? Because I can actually spray it to match the car, you know. So I just don't want to cause harm at the same time. So came with shocks, came with everything. So yeah, I can say they really outdid themselves on this. They really,
yeah,
really
this
did.
was well worth the
Yeah.
surprise and wait, you know?
It really was. And
it's a heck of a thing for them to do.
Very professional, too. I will say that. And no, this isn't an infomercial. I'm being honest. Because I deal with Misty on a personal basis. Now what we got to do next. First of all, if you made it this far into the video, say, I want a sticker. Okay? And I'll hook you up. All right? I'm going to go ahead and give Misty a call. And I'm going to see if she'll let me film the phone call. I don't know if she will or not. We'll see. Because I want to order rotors and disc brakes. So I'm going to see if she's okay about that. But very good. When I order from her, if it's before 2 p.m., it goes out that day. So I do like that a lot. Okay, so I'm going to order rotors, calipers, the whole setup. And basically, that's it. The next video, we're going to fit it to the car. Thank you for stepping in and carrying on like a child.
We had to bring that up.
All right, folks. Thank you so much for being here. Everybody is safe, healthy, and happy. And we'll see you soon.